For domestic, commercial and industrial plumbing and heating services in Lincoln and throughout Lincolnshire, call System Servicing, your specialists for gas and LPG central heating and repairs. Our family business has been helping people sleep warmer at night throughout the Lincolnshire winters since 1982. Our plumbing and heating installations in many offices, shops and factories help ensure that the wheels of the Lincolnshire economy keep turning smoothly. We're experts in everything from an emergency repair to the full design and installation of a bespoke central heating system with radiator upgrades and power flushing, homeowner reports, underfloor heating and energy-saving controls, just some of the services we can provide. We'll give you honest, professional advice, repair your equipment for you and replace any broken parts. And we also carry out insurance work and groundwork. Visit our website for more information. Get in touch. You can email us or call us at System Servicing.